Welcome to our channel. If you received a military benefit card and need to activate it at a store counter, follow these simple steps to prepare your card for use at participating retailers. Step 1. Locate a participating retailer that accepts your military benefit card for activation. Common locations include major retail stores, military exchanges, or specific locations designated by your benefit program. Step 2. Bring your military benefit card and valid military identification to the store. Acceptable ID typically includes your active duty military ID, veteran ID card, dependent ID card, or DD 219 discharge papers. Step 3. Approach the customer service desk or checkout counter at the store. Inform the representative that you need to activate your military benefit card. Step 4. Present both your military benefit card and your military identification to the store representative. They will need to verify your military status before activating the card. Step 5. The representative will scan or swipe your military benefit card in their system to begin the activation process. They may also need to enter information from your military ID. Step 6. Provide any additional information requested by the representative, such as your phone number, email address, or mailing address. This information is typically used for account verification and communication. Step 7. If required, you may need to create a PIN for your card. The representative will guide you through entering a 4-digit PIN on their terminal or keypad. Step 8. Once the activation is complete, the representative will provide you with confirmation. They may give you a receipt or confirmation number for your records. Your military benefit card is now active and ready to use for eligible purchases at participating stores. Thank the representative for their assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.